I can do this.
Hey, we have a new guy coming in today.
Hello?
What's the password?
New England clam chowder.
The red or the white?
The white?
Come on in.
Yes. Man, traffic was terrible. I'm sorry I'm late, guys.
That's okay, no worries. That's what she said.
Hey, I'm just kidding. We're all a little late to sell out of our positions. That's why we're here, right?
Yeah?
Why don't we let the new guy go first?
Okay. What do I do?
Just tell us who you are and why you're here.
Alright. Well, I'm Kyle, and I'm a bag holder.
Hi, Kyle.
How many bags are you holding, Kyle?
Like 6, I think?
6? That's it? That's nothing. I'm sitting on 12 bags. I know this one guy who bought Opti at 19 cents and never sold. He'll be here tomorrow. How much money are you down?
Well, technically I'm up. I've pulled out all of my bases plus some profit, but man, I've lost so much profit from just over trading and trading with emotion without having a plan.
Whoa! That's nothing. Are you kidding me? That's nothing. You haven't lost a penny from trading penny stocks. Why are you even here?
My wife told me I had to go to a meeting because she said I have a gambling problem.
Gambling problem? Oh, are you serious?
Yeah, I love a gambling
Yeah,
problem.
we love a
Yeah,
gambling problem.
average
Yeah,
down.
Yeah, you just have to buy when it's oversold.
Well, I joined this chat room and...
Oh, you should
You
join
should
our chat room.
There's this guy, he puts alerts out all the time. Rocket ships all day, bro. Yeah, I follow this guy on Twitter. He always shares his DD, and it's legit. Yeah, he just tweeted out that this one ticker is going to gap up tomorrow during Power Hour. It's going to go from trips to Dollarland. IMO.
What? No way. What's the ticker?
Hashtag BAGS.
Okay, well, guys, Blinky, Pinky, Inky, Clyde, this was great, but I gotta go do a little more DD now. I'll see you in the next one.
Okay, all right, man. See you tomorrow. All
Yeah,
right,
okay, alright.
Okay, good to
See you
meet you.
tomorrow, guys. Man, those guys are broke.